Okay, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Which I want every student to be attentive. Open your notebook. Open the MS Word file. Yes, Danish, do recitation. Mama Danish, do recitation.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح ورأيت الناس يدخلون في دين الله أفواجا فسبح بحمد ربك واستغفر إنه كان توابا صدق الله العظيم.
Okay, I'm starting the class with the name of Allah. Okay, everyone. Today we will review as well, and I want to check the classwork. So everyone, open the MS Word file in your computer or wherever you are using right now. You all have to share the screen with me today. The practice I will be checking online. So make sentences, share the screen, and show it to me. The stative verb which I have taught you yesterday, everyone should make sentences.
Miss, I
Yes,
was not
Abhiya.
in yesterday class.
Share the screen with me, beta. I want the practice of everyone.
Teacher,
Miss, I was
Ji.
not in
teacher, due to
yesterday class.
electricity, I have
Wait,
not
Danish.
attended the classes of 2 to 3 days. So, teacher, I don't know about the MS Word which you are saying. So, teacher, what I should do?
Are you using computer?
Yes.
Okay. Then you use and open any Word file or any document file where you can type. Fine. Anything, any document file or any notebook, any notepad, open it. Fine. Or MS Word, open it. Make sentences and share with me quickly. In your computer, open MS Word where you can type easily. So type your sentences.
I am making 2 to 3 slides of PowerPoint.
Don't make PowerPoint set, only open MS Word file or any notepad. Share the screen, whatever sentence you are making, share with me with your name. Right, Abhiya 6 green?
Teacher, मैं क्लास अपने मोबाइल में से लेता हूँ.
I was not in the
You can make in
class of
mobile as well,
yesterday.
bete. Open that portion, make from mobile as well easily. We have in mobile as well MS Office. Whether it's Android, whether it's other mobile, we do have MS Office everywhere. So I wanted to check practice of all the students. Please start making sentences and share it with me. All
मैं
simple
तुम्हें
tenses.
present
जी
नहीं
बेटे.
था इस क्लास में.
टीचर,
जी बेटे.
हम WhatsApp पे कर सकते, मतलब WhatsApp पे भेज सकते हैं आपको करके?
No, right now online session we are doing. I want over here. Please.
यहाँ पे share the screen हो ही नहीं रहा है.
So you can write in chat.
Okay.
Please, Aryan, who are unable to share the screen, they have to message me in chat, make sentences, quickly share with me. Static verb, all simple tenses.
ये कितने बनाने?
5 of each. Present simple, past simple, future simple, use static verb.
With negative and interrogative?
Yes. Quickly share with me. The practice is very important.
Miss, I was not in yesterday class yet. I don't know what is the status.
Open the camera. Who is speaking?
Miss Danish.
Tania.
Danish.
Okay. Sinan, review the yesterday class.
What, teacher? Teacher, how many sentences we have to make?
Just review the yesterday class, what we did yesterday. After that, I'll be telling it to you. Anaya, Amna, Sheikh, Reja, Abdullah, Danish, Dania, and Rafe. I will remove you if you don't open camera. Strictly, I'm saying.
Stative verb
I want you to check all the students.
that describes the state of a person, emotions, feelings, and senses.
Sinan, you should be louder, bete. Abdullah Danish, I'm removing you.
Stative verb is the verb that describes the state of a person, feelings, emotions, and senses.
Okay, very
For
good.
example, he is engineer and aircraft engineer also.
Wow,
He is pilot and aircraft engineer too.
very nice. Feeling and expression.
I like to eat mangoes, but I hate banana.
Very nice. Mohammad Danish, did you get it?
मिस ये दूसरा वाला जो जुमला बोला वो बता दे वापस.
It is stative verb are those in that we don't do any action. It's without action. It's not the continuous form. Fine.
Okay.
Quickly start making sentences and share your sentences with me. Amna, share your sentences with him. Unmute yourself, please. One by one, I'm asking everyone. I want everyone to share sentences. Is that clear, everyone? If you are unable to share the screen, so I want everyone to share online. Okay? Share your practice with me. Please. Take part.
I love apple. I love apple and I hate banana.
Other than that, जी बेटे. Bete Yusra, why don't you take part in the class, bete? Where are you? Do make sentences and share with me.
टीचर
जी.
हम चैट पे राइट करके आपको सेंड कर सकते हैं.
जी, you have to speak as well. What did you make? Fine.
Making.
Okay.
I'm making.
Fatma Mohsin, share your sentences, bete.
I suppose he wanted to help.
Very nice. More.
Sarah desired to be a doctor.
Very good. Excellent job, my dear. Very good. Yes. More. Okay. Sarah desires is simple present tense. I want in past tense as well. Make negative interrogative as well. Zayan, Anaya, Amna Sheikh, Dania, and Asghar. If you don't open camera, I will remove you. Please. To take part in the class, open camera.
Miss, what we are doing?
We are doing practice of tenses with a stative verb.
Okay, Miss.
Yes. Mohammad Danish, speak up.
मैं सब मैं बना के आपको सारे दिखा रहा हूँ.
Okay, thank you, bete. Abhiya Imran, share it, bete. Abhiya, you are also typing. Mubashir, share your sentences. Please share the sentences.
मिस अभी सोच रहा था आप दूसरों से कुछ पूछे हैं मैं सोच रहा हूँ.
Okay. Amsal and Aryan, speak up, bete. Umaira, please do take part in the class, dear. How many sentences have you made, Anaya? Anaya, how many sentences have you made? I did not get up till now. Anaya, no sentence of yours.
She did not like to.
Please share the sentences. Whether you can make in MS Word or in chat. I want the type message. Share with me quickly. You should care about the grammatical mistakes, please. Write the message in chat, please. Make sentences, send it to me. And then loudly speak, what did you make? It should be properly punctuated. All simple in a stative verb. All simple sentences we are making right now with stative verb. Simple present, simple past, simple future with a stative verb. Like
how many of each?
I'm fond
How
of
many of each?
Yes, bete. To make
How
it
many of each?
negative as well. Ji bete.
How many of each?
5.
5.
Ji. Yes, Abdullah Farhan, speak up. What did you make?
क्या मैंने अभी ज्वाइन करी है मैं बनाता हूँ.
Okay. Rafe, you made it, but you are not opening the camera. Bete, what's the matter? I told you, bete, I will remove the student from the class who are not practicing and who are not showing the camera to me. Please. Dania Khan, do take part in the class. Share the sentences of yours.
Okay.
Ji bete.
I have sent you sentences.
Okay.
Yes, please.
Get a new shirt. Where is the question mark, bete? What did you make? Speak up.
Okay. I want to get a new t-shirt. I do not want to get a new t-shirt. Do I want to get a new t-shirt?
Okay. You know, when you are speaking, there is no need to put the question mark or full stop over there. But when you are making and writing it now, you are typing it. At that time, you care about the punctuation mark as well.
Okay.
So do care. If it's question mark, the question mark at the end. Okay. Simple past tense. Munta, do take part in the class. Please speak up. Munta.
Teacher, now we have to make simple past tense sentences.
Yes, bete. Simple past and simple future as well. Ali Salman, how is the health? How are you, bete, today? Quickly, bete, share the practice of yours, all of you. Ji. Afsal, you are not making sentences, you are sitting only. You make sentences and show it to me.
Okay.
Yusra, bete, what are you doing? I want sentences. Quickly share. To take part in the class, please. Speak up. Amsal, share the sentences. G, speak up. Done the practice? Who has done the practice quickly? G, Sinan, share the sentences.
Teacher, share screen.
Yes.
Teacher, there is written host disabled participant.
Miss, I do not.
Okay, share it now. Quickly share the screen. I allowed. I allowed you all. I want everyone share the screen. Sinan, you should write the name of yours. Sinan's screen, please, I want everyone to share the screen. Your practice, please show it to me. Increase the font size, capitalize it, please. So then I can capture the picture of yours. Very good, Sinan. Excellent job, my dear. I want everyone to do the same thing. Practice in computer, show the practice to me, and share the screen.
Police have some doubt in investigation of robbery. We need plenty of water in summer season. I love to
Yes.
play cricket.
Very good, Sinan.
He hears music regularly at night. He is wear mask in this pandemic of coronavirus.
Okay, very good job. Yes. Who else wants to share it?
Come on, Oscar.
Yes. Sinan, close your sharing, bete. Let other participant can share. Yes. Who wants to share next? Fatma, share the screen. Mohammad Danish, please. Write your name, share the practice of yours.
Miss, I am doing.
Practice of everyone. Very good, Aryan. The full
Yes.
stop is missing and don't write in capital letter, bete Aryan. I do not like to
मिस, हम लोग को पास्ट और फ्यूचर में भी लिखने हैं.
G. Think that you are in the class right now and you are practicing in the copy. So do it quickly. You all are in the class right now. And I want the classwork.
उसने भी भेज दिया.
Okay. Share the screen of yours, please. As Sinan did. Quickly make and share with me. Asghar, speak up, bete.
In a chat.
The topic,
Yeah.
speak up.
I want to play cricket. I don't want to play cricket.
Something else,
Will
bete.
I?
Make little bit
Yes, sir.
effort. Don't use want and like only. You're in 6th standard, my dear.
I like to become
I
a
want
doctor.
more creative one.
That I like to become a doctor.
G. Asghar, you are the talented one, na, bete. Yusra, where is the practice, my dear? What did you make? I want the practice, please. Share with me. Sinan, make simple past and simple future.
Okay.
And do make negative interrogative as well. Reja, please
Of same sentences.
make interrogative negative. Past, simple future as well, please. And share the screen.
It of same sentences.
G. Or you wish to create the new one, you can create the new one as well. And Aya, bete, do take part in the class. Please.
Teacher,
Abdullah Danish, I'm removing you. Our last warning for you. The camera is not open. You did not share your attendance as well. And no practice. So I'm removing you. Abdullah Danish. Open the camera. Be attentive and share the practice, please. I wanted to check, did you get that or not? Please, the practice, share with me. Speak up. If you understood the topic, share the practice quickly. Amna Sheikh and Ali Salman, bete, where are you? Yusra, Amna, Abdullah Danish. I want the practice. Asghar, bete, be attentive, share the practice. Have you made?
yes, miss.
And share na beta, share the screen of yours.
स्क्रीन शेयर कैसे करूं?
Have you made in computer? Have you
Yes,
typed it?
yes.
Then click on share a screen. Near the chat button, there is an option share a screen. Share it. Near the chat option, the next option is share a screen. Do share the screen. Do write your name, everything, please.
मैंने मोबाइल में लिखा है.
Beta, we do have in mobile as well share a screen option. Try to use it. Abdullah Farhan, you did so?
I'm doing.
Okay, Mubashir, share your sentences.
But she don't like vegetable. She did not like. मैं कैसे करूँ?
Share the screen with Mubashir.
इस हमने कंप्यूटर में नहीं किया हुआ.
Okay, speak up then.
लगा दिया. आवाज आ रही है?
Okay, everyone, please. Mubashir is.
सही लगाया.
I want everyone, please listen. Mubashir only.
I love mango, but I hate apple.
Now unmute yourself, Mubashir.
I love mango, but I hate apples. I drive the car, but I hate the bike.
More sentences, bete. Very good. Share the screen. Now your sentences, my dear. Abdullah Danish, bete, look at that. You make action word. He plays, does he play? All are action. Eats, action. Where is the startup? Only the first one is. The first one is. Only the first one is fine. The people hates robbery. This one. I want bete started verb, not the action one. Clear? The first one, the pupil hates the robbery, but the robbers love. This one is fine. Yes. You make negative or interrogative, is that clear to you? Yes. Now Muhammad Danish, you share it. Abhiya, speak up, bete. Very good. Excellent job, Abdullah Danish. This is the great practice, na my dear. Now, please. Abhiya Imran, speak up, bete. Muhammad Danish, you also can share, bete. I allowed all the participants today. So all can together do so. Very good. The people hate the robbery, but the robbers love the robbery. I love pizza, but I hate burger. Put the full stop, bete. In both the sentences, you did not write full stop. Very good. Excellent job, bete. Anaya, bete, I want the same practice from all the students, so please. Yes. Now, Abdullah Danish, stop your sharing, bete. Mohammad Danish, share your screen now. Very good, Abdullah Danish. Rafi, please speak up. Rafi, Asghar, speak up.
मैं स्क्रीन शेयर कर दूं?
Yes, you can, bete. I told. Very good. Okay.
मैं सी रहा है।
I want to go at my action verb, na bete. I don't.
No, मैं
fine.
नहीं है।
It's also fine. My
नहीं है।
cousin's cow came at its action one. Did not come होगा बेटे did के साथ second form नहीं आती. Did my cousin cow come? बेटे please write C-O-M-E come. Use first form. The first one is fine बेटे. Let me show it again बेटे. Let me capture the picture. Asghar.
Yes.
Show it again.
Okay.
Please everyone. Asghar, show me again बेटे. जी. Yes. Now close it. Mohammad Danish, I'm waiting for your practice. Fatma, I'm waiting for the practice. Ji, Zayan, have you done so? Rafi, speak up. Aryan, bete, share the screen. I'm waiting for everyone. Please.
Teacher, I am sharing screen.
Okay, do it so. Please.
टीचर मेरे से स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं हो रही टीचर, मैं आपको सेंटेंस सुना सकता हूँ?
Yes, you can, bete. Do share it online.
ओके टीचर, मैं बताता हूँ आपको. Teacher, he want to go in heaven. He do not go in heaven. Does he go in heaven?
Very good. Excellent job, Aryan. Abhiya Imran.
He want.
Okay, Aryan, let Abhiya Imran speak up her sentence. I have to make video of that.
Okay, teacher.
Love to play carom and hockey. I love to have many friends. I love cherry, but I hate lychee. Maya is very clever instead of her. Mariam is so innocent.
Very good, Abhiya. Yes. Now, who else done? So, Mohammad Danish, start, please. Very good, Abhiya. Yes, Mohammad Danish, your turn. Share the screen. Near chat option, we do have the option. Do it. Share the screen.
मैं सर डॉक्यूमेंट पे क्लिक करूँ ना?
जी. Yes, Umaira, you should speak up as well.
मैं सर आ ही नहीं रहा, कैसे करूँ?
Bete, there is an option, share screen near chat. Click that and the word file you have to select when you are sharing the screen. Are you getting? In Zoom,
मैं समझ नहीं आ रहा.
Share the screen. Ji, Reja, speak up.
Teacher, can I share the screen?
Yes, you can, bete.
मैं कैसे करूँ? शेयर क्या करूँ?
Bete, your sentences, your practice which you did.
मैं सो ही नहीं रहा. कैसे
Okay.
करूँ?
You can share with me in WhatsApp, please. Message me. Very good, Reja. Reja, speak up.
मैं किया कैसे रे जाने मैं?
Just click on share screen option. It's near the chat button. Reja, speak your sentences, please.
I want to get a new t-shirt. I do not want to get a new t-shirt. Do I want to get a new t-shirt? He hated the dog. I suppose that he is saying true. You felt it was a good idea.
Wow, Reja, very good. Yes. Now, Mohammad Danish, speak your sentences, please. Very good, Reja. Zayan, I want you as well to practice. Fatma Mohsin, very good job. Yes, share with me, bete. If you wish to share, please share with me. Only 2 minutes are left. Who are left? They can message me in WhatsApp their practices. Clear? there is an option near chat button, share screen. Click on that option and then you can select the file of yours. Wow, wonderful practice. Wow. Mohammed, it's not clear, bete. Show it properly. I'm unable to read the sentences. Okay. Anaya is sharing now. Very good, Anaya. Bete, write the correct spelling, Anaya. Not static, stative. T-I-V-E. Anaya, correct the spell quickly. Or increase the font size. V-E. T-I-V-E.
Anaya Masood.
T-I-V-E. Very good. Okay. Very nice. Write your name, Anaya. Anaya, your name. Practice done by Anaya. Very good. Wonderful work, my dear. Yusra, bete, please do take part in the class. I want everyone to do the practice, bete, and share the practice with me. If you are unable to do in Zoom, share with me in WhatsApp, wherever you can share. Very good, Anaya. Wait. Okay, bete. Your class time is ending. Only 1 minute is left. Anaya, quickly, bete. Just write your name. Write your name, Anaya. Very good. Very good. Now we to close the sharing of yours. I captured the picture. Yes, very good. Yes, who is sharing this? Will you write your name on top, please? I want the name on top. Bete, offered. In offered, its action is going on. Who share it? Corona is a dangerous disease, but people do not understand. This one is fine. First one is wrong, bete, because its action is going on. She is amazed that you would do for me. It's also not, please. Fourth one is fine. She remembers her cousin. Bete, please do the practice again. Who shared this screen? Stop it. Do correction, then share it again. Don't share the action one. Abia Imran, yes, speak up. Mois, Asghar, you want to share something? Bete, the class time and now, please. Okay, fine. Okay, student, take good care of yourself. Tomorrow we will continue this more. Fine. The class time ending now. Okay? It's ended. Allah Hafiz, take good care of yourself.
Yes.
Allah Hafiz, smile. And don't worry about it who did not share it. Tomorrow we will continue this. Fine. Think that you all are in the class and you have to share the practice with me. Very good practice you all did today. I'm very happy to see the practices. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. Share ever.